How's it going? Good. That's a pretty dog, man. Is that a dingo or something?
Yeah, it's dingo.
Yeah, but that's a good. I've never seen one in real life.
Yeah,
he's pretty.
He's a rescue. Got him as a pup. He's like going on 4 now.
Are they like in America? Like are they like American dogs? I thought dingoes were like.
I mean,
the breed kind of came over eventually.
Came over, yeah.
Yeah, he's 100% too, ain't he?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I watched a lot of YouTubes. I was like, I think that's a dingo. Yeah, he's pretty, man. In minutes, so. Bluegill's tapping away. No crappies, bluegill, all tapping away. No crappies, no bass. That's all that's hitting. I see the line just jumping away. Last time we caught crappies all in this area. I'm talking about big crappies. Quantity too. Quality and quantity. See that line jumping? There we go, you guys. It might be a crappie. Bass. Boat flip. That's a good sized bass. Ladies and gentlemen. On that famous grub. There you guys go. About maybe 2 pounds. I'm gonna just toss him in the water because I can't walk down there, okay? So I'm just gonna toss him in the water. He's gone. He's safe. He's not injured or anything. So he's not injured, he's safe. So if that can be there, crappies can be there too. Now he hit like a freight train. Okay, I'm gonna let it drop. It's a pole right here. I'm gonna come down this pole, letting it drop, get down in the water column. I wanted to get closer to that pole, but hey, because they'll be hanging right up on that pole. And I got a hit just then, you guys. They'll be hanging right up on that pole. And you get close to it, boy, you get a monster. And I mean a monster fish. If you can come right down that pole, even with a carp, you can come right down there. Carp or bobber, however you want to say it. Yeah, it won't get right next. I need to cut this tree down. And all this stuff in front of me. I got a little them bluegill right there for sure, hanging out. Okay, so let me toss back over here. It's a pretty dog. So let me toss back over here, and I'm just coming right down this little cove here, or little duck off right here in the end of the pond, and hoping something would be kind of hanging around over here. a lot of grass out there, or algae, whatever you want to call it. Weed line, whatever. So I'm gonna let it drop down. Now, it's just a couple feet deep right here. You ain't gotta wait too long. You can start reeling. There we go, you guys. Oh, I think that was a crappie. I think, my friends, that was a crappie. There we go. See what I'm saying? I knew it was a crappie. Boat flip. I knew it was a crappie. My first crappie my first crappie over in the area here. There you go. So that one I get to go home with me. Ooh, I had a good bite just then, you guys. I'm talking about I had a good bite. Hard hit. Not like no bluegill. They just, no wonder them bass be on them bluegill right there, cause they all up under that little pole. You see it just bouncing? That's them bluegill. Yep, see? That's all it is, them little baby bluegill. So them bass be up under hitting them joker. The wind, I want to go and fish the pylon, but the wind is so high that it's hard to fish that area over there. It's a bass. He's doing way too much. Boat flip. He's doing way too much running to be a crappie. He was all over the place. Them bass can pull, boy. Crappie can't mess with them bass. Now when it comes to pulling, they built for power. There you go, you guys. Nice little old male bass. I'm gonna put him back in the water. Real gentle here. Real gentle. Like you guys be saying, y'all be sending to YouTube. I'm gonna be real gentle with him. Oh, he's such a cutie. Oh, he's such a little cutie. You such a little, you gonna make a lot of babies, you. Real gentle, you guys. And he's gone. Ha! Y'all gonna get him. Ah, my big old butt. I don't know. Man, that didn't sound right. Powerlifter dude talking like that. 260 pounds. Powerlifter dude talking like that. My wife gonna laugh. There we go. You guys, I done foul hooked the biggest carp. God dog, he got off of my life. Lord. a big old carp. Yeah. Here we go, y'all. I'm finna boat flip a gill. Boat flip. Look at this little thing. What you doing biting? What are you doing biting my reel? The slab mouse. What are you doing biting my reel? Your little thing, you trying to get put on a hook for a catfish. You saw that? Shot on the water, right there on the edge. Shot on the water, right there on the edge. There you go, you guys. There you go. It might be a good crappie. Oh, it's a bass. There you go. Oh, you got caught today, buddy. Came back and hit it, huh? There you go, you guys. Boat flip. Alright, let me try right here. Big old carp right there in front of me. Talking about a big one too. Right up on the land here. You can see it there, it's coming toward me here. Actually, there's a couple of them. You can't really see it, but it's a couple of them. They'll probably take off when they see me. You see it right there? See that big old carp? About 10-15 pound carp. Just cruising the shoreline. Don't even see me. Right here in front of me. Big old joker right there. If you guys can see that. Yeah, I mean a big one. Ooh, he came up then, right? He came up then, right here. All right. So I don't think anything is going to happen. You guys, I was hoping, but I don't think so. There you go. I went out there and caught something that quick. A little bluegill, probably our bass. So small he can't even fight. So a little bluegill, you guys. A little gilly. And I think it's a pumpkin seed, maybe.